Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video we are going to make a Quaker Oats meal porridge, and this is going to be very healthy because it has so much health benefits in the oats. I love to make oats and get all the nutrient that it contains. It helps with the whole body. It has a fiber, and so we are going to make this porridge and see how it all comes out. So stay with me as I put it together, and I'll see you right back here. All right, so I am going to start with the water. I'm going to add, there's going to be 1 3/4 cup of water. That's what we are going to. Okay, so we have this in the pan, and I'm just going to add just a little cinnamon stick to the water as it boils. And I have my oats, which this is Quaker Oats. The reason why I like it because this is the old-fashioned Quaker Oats, and it's also non-GMO, and this is very healthy, and I like to buy this myself and use this. And that is the only oats that I like to use because it has all the texture and everything that I like in oats. If you're interested in that, I'm going to leave a link below the description of this video for you. This particular oat that I use for my oatmeal, and you can see this is how it looks like. So nice. So I'm gonna pour this in here. You can see it's really nice, fine. You see the texture and everything, and it's big also, so wide. And I just like to give just one wash to my oats. So I'm just gonna wash this and just drain it before we add it to the boiling water. So I'm just gonna strain this. All right, so this is the strained oats that I have. I'm just gonna leave this sit down a little. We are going to add just a little salt to the water as well, and we just add 1/8 spoon of salt in this. And our water is boiling. The cinnamon is also good, so all I'm going to do is put the oats in here, and I'm just gonna stir this, and we are just gonna let this boil. All right, so we just stir this. Is boiling, and I don't want to cover my oats because it's gonna boil over, and we don't want that. So as long as it's on medium height, it's boiling nicely, you just have to stir it, and as you can see, until it boils down and cook nicely. So we're gonna let this cook for at least 5 minutes, and we're gonna come back to this. So this is cooking down nicely. We can see the oat is softening down, and we just stir. I like my oats to be thick. You can make it thick, you can make it light. That depends on how much water you. And we give it a stir. It's gonna be very thick, and we don't want it to stick. You can add more water, like I said, but I like my oats to be thick. Let's see, it's almost done, and then we're gonna let this cook a little bit more, maybe 5 more minutes. All right, so our oat is almost done, and I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is the sugar that I use, the raw organic sugar, and I like to use this because it's not too refined, and it's good when you are using anything in organic. So that's why I like to use this, and I'll leave a link of this as well underneath this video if you want to get the healthy quality organic sugar that you want to use. So I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the oats. You can add honey, but that is up to you because you don't want, honey is not meant to be cooked, so you don't want to put it in as it's cooking. You want to put it in as you already put it in your bowl or your cup to eat. Then you can add the honey. But on the stove top, you don't want to add the honey to cook it. Tablespoon of sugar, and you can always. And for me, my oat has to be thick, so that's why I did not add too much water. And we want it to cook on a low heat so it can all cook through nicely. Just have to stir it few times to make sure it's not sticking underneath the pan. But as you can see, our oat is almost done. So our oat is ready now. You can see it's not too liquid. Depending on how you like it, I like mine to be a little thicker, so we just cook it on a low heat until it's all cooked and done. And I'm gonna take it off the heat. All right, so I'm taking this off the heat, and I'm gonna transfer this into this bowl here. Oh my goodness, look at how thick it is. And that depends on your taste, and you know, this is what I like, so I make it the way the taste I like. And this is so nice. And then I am going to just sprinkle just 1/8 teaspoon of magna. If you don't like magna, you don't have to. You just have to make it as you would like. So just sprinkle that on there. And then I am going to add a milk. I like this milk a lot because this has vitamin A and D in it. And then this is the sweet cow milk. It's evaporated milk, and I like what I'm used to. So this is what I use most of the time when I'm cooking or doing anything. And you just want to add as much as you want, and just a little, just as much as you want. It's your taste. You can add as much milk you want if that's what you like. And then I like to add banana to my oatmeal. So we're gonna add some bananas, ripe one. So this is a really nice ripe. And all I do is I just add this very slightly like that, and you have a healthy meal of oatmeal ready to eat. And as you can see, this looks so lovely. Look at that. And that's a delicious oatmeal. And we're gonna give it a taste and see how it comes like, and I will let you know. Smelling good from all the nutmeg and also the cinnamon stick that we used to boil with, that we used to boil the oatmeal with. So hello friends, we just finished with our healthy Quaker Oats meal porridge. That's what we just made, and this looks yummy, delicious. And we added banana, some sprinkle of nutmeg in here, and milk. The milk is up to you how much you want to add. So I'm gonna give a taste, and you can see this. This is really good. You can have this for breakfast, you can have this for supper, lunch, it doesn't matter when, because this is really a good source of fiber that is in here. And then this really helps with reduced cholesterol, and this is also good for your heart. So oatmeal has a great source of benefit that benefits our body. So I love to eat oatmeal most of the times. I mix this with other recipes that I make. So if you are looking for how to make a healthy breakfast, oatmeal is one of the things I can recommend also, because you added other things. You can pecans, you can add raisins, you can add bananas, you can add apples, you can add anything to it. You just make it as your own. And so I love oatmeal. So I hope this video helps you in any way that you can make your own. It doesn't matter what you add to it. You can make it it doesn't matter, just how you make it so you can enjoy it. That is the most important thing. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And as always, thank you for watching my videos, and let me know how you have made your Quaker Oats meal porridge, because I would love to know what are the things you added to yours. How did it come up? Did you like it? Didn't you like it? What else can you add? Just ideas. So I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.